Hi, it's Gavin again from Lucid Computer Solutions. Hope you're well. So today I have a very quick and very brief, it's going to be a very short one, review video of the Microsoft 850 wireless keyboard and mouse set. And here it is. So it's this set in particular I'm talking about. And the reason I just wanted to touch on this product, just so you can see it, and I'll get it out of the box in a second, is first of all, because it's genuinely a really good set, but importantly, this is a budget set. And the reason I decided to film this is because we are really big fans of this. This is the MK270 set from Logitech. That's always been our go-to set for a budget wireless keyboard and mouse, the Logitech set. This Microsoft set comes in at exactly the same price as that Logitech set. So the question here is the Microsoft set the budget champion? And in my opinion, spoiler alert, it is. And obviously I need to explain why I think it is the budget champion. So I'm going to show you a few bits and pieces. So this is a brand new one, still in the wrapper here, as you can see. Now, first of all, the keyboard itself. Why do I think this is better than the Logitech set? Because this keyboard, first and foremost, is a lot quieter to type on than the Logitech set. The Logitech set, like I said, I'm not here to badmouth Logitech. I really like their stuff. This is a budget set. But when you're typing on this, and if you've got an office full of these, believe me, you notice the noise. Whereas the Logitech, sorry, not the Logitech set, the Microsoft set, I know I've still got the cellophane on, but it's a really soft touch to it. It's still got that tactile feel and feedback to it, but it's an awful lot quieter than the Logitech set. So from a office perspective, when people are actually working in offices again, the Microsoft keyboard is better, in my opinion, because the feedback of the keys feels better and it's quieter. So that is the reason I like that. And then there is also obviously the mouse. So this is the Microsoft mouse which comes in the set, and I'm going to compare it with the Logitech one. Now, a mouse is just a mouse. Some people might say, just so you know, I'm not one of them people anymore. Since I've discovered my Logitech MX Master mouse, believe me, there's mouses and there's them, but I'm not here to talk about that today. Now, straightforward one, the Microsoft mouse is better than the Logitech one. And can you see why? Because it's bigger. I find that with this Logitech mouse, I've got fairly big hands. It feels, look how small it looks in my hands. It's great because it is compact and small and things, but it's just a little bit of a struggle. It's a little bit of a struggle for people with big hands to use, in my opinion. If you've got smaller hands, it's more than likely fine, but the Microsoft mouse is that much bigger, and it just feels like, you know, I can properly feel what I'm holding on to. So if I compare the two, look, there's not much in it, but that extra bit of length to the Microsoft one makes all the difference, no puns intended. So yeah, I much prefer the Microsoft mouse. So overall, with the Microsoft 850 wireless keyboard and mouse set, absolutely love the set. It is the budget champion for me. And I realise you're saying, well, how much is a budget champion? This Microsoft set is around about £30. It's arguably one of the cheapest wireless keyboard and mouse sets you can get from a well-known brand such as Microsoft or Logitech, etc. So there is that to it. I realise there are cheaper ones of brands you've never heard of with no reviews and are probably terrible, but this is a Microsoft product. The build quality is awesome. It's really, really good. And for £30, it's great. The Logitech set, just so you know, which I've always championed and still kind of do, is also about £30. So straightforward shootout here, Microsoft every time for me. So if you're in the market for a budget wireless keyboard and mouse set, go for the Microsoft 850 set. And there is a link to it down below if you are interested, and that will take you straight to the product. So that's about it for today. I'm going to bring things to a close. Thanks very much for watching this very short video. What would really help us is if you smash the like button down below. It really helps grow our channel. I can't stress that enough. It's, you know, if you're going to do anything to help us out, please do smash that like button. Feel free to comment on the video. I do read all the comments and I do try and get back to people as often as I can. So please do feel free to comment about the product, your experiences with it, or any alternatives you might want to recommend to the community out there. And all the links are down below to connect in with me on the likes of LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram. So that's been me, Gavin, from Lucid Computer Solutions, signing off. And don't forget to subscribe as well. Thank you. Bye-bye. When I can end the video.